Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's something truly wild. The GOP's latest spending bill is set to cut over $340 billion from our medical system over the next decade, and it's already causing immediate chaos. Hospitals are closing doors, and patients are being left without essential care. What if I told you that this isn't just a financial crisis, but a moral one? This situation is honestly crazy. Planned Parenthood, a crucial provider of health services, is warning that it can no longer accept Medicaid insurance. Imagine being a patient relying on their services, only to find out that your coverage is suddenly worthless. In 5 states, lawmakers are scrambling to revise budgets to deal with these cuts, which puts the lie to the narrative that Republicans cleverly delayed the worst effects of their spending law. Edwin Park, a research professor, points out that cuts are happening now, not later. Hospitals are already laying off staff and cutting services in anticipation of future funding shortfalls. Ever notice how the GOP seems to prioritize tax breaks for the wealthy over the health of everyday Americans? It's absurd. The legislation has capped state-directed payments, meaning states can only charge rates equal to Medicare, which is significantly less than what private insurers pay. This will strip away nearly $150 billion from Medicaid funding. And let's talk about the implications. With the immediate cuts, hospitals are projected to face $443 billion in uncompensated care costs by 2034. That's not just a number. It means real people will suffer. Facilities are already closing, like Curtis Medical Center in Nebraska, and others are considering it. Now consider the new Medicaid work requirements that will kick in. They're designed to force recipients to volunteer or attend school for 80 hours a month. This is just another layer of bureaucracy that will make it nearly impossible for people to keep their health care. Georgia, the only state currently enforcing such a requirement, has seen dismal enrollment numbers because the paperwork is overwhelming. The broader context here is clear. These cuts are not just financial, they're a direct attack on the most vulnerable in our society. The GOP's actions are sowing chaos and confusion, and it's time for us to come together and push back against this cruelty. We can't let this become the new normal. Let's unite to protect our healthcare system and ensure that everyone has access to the care they need. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.